Molly is making cakes for a PTA sale. Each cake costs $5.50 to make. If she sells the cakes for $10 each, how many would she have to sell to make a profit of exactly $90? Let's first of all figure out how much profit she could make on just one cake. It costs her $5.50 to make each cake. She hopes to sell them for $10. That means that she could make a $4.50 profit on one cake. So to find out how many cakes she would need to sell to make a profit of exactly $90, let's do a proportion. We know that she can make $4.50 profit on one cake. She wants to make a total of $90 profit. So how many cakes will that be? To solve the proportion, we will multiply $4.50 times x and set that equal to 1 times 90. Simplifying it a little bit, I realize that I need to be able to get my x alone. Let's divide by the coefficient of x, which is 4.5, and we must do it on the other side as well. Now we have the x alone on the left. All we need to do is take 90 and divide it by 4.5. So with a little long division, I know that 45 goes into 90 twice and into 0 no times at all. So x equals 20, and to be more specific, 20 cakes is how many she will have to make and how many she will have to sell. Now we have Corrine. She needs to make $200 at the craft sale. It costs her $1.50 to make each of her paperweights. How many will she have to make if she charges $4 for each one? So again, I'm going to start with the fact that she hopes to sell the paperweights for $4 a piece, but it costs her $1.50 to make each one. That means that she would have a profit of $2.50 per paperweight. So if she needs to make $200, let's set up a proportion again. We know that she will make $2.50 profit if she makes one, and I'm going to call it one item. She wants to make $200 profit. So how many of those paperweights, now called items, will she have to make and sell? To solve the proportion, we will take 2.50 times x and set that equal to 1 times 200. Simplifying a little bit, we discover that we will have to get rid of that 2.5 by dividing by it on both sides, and that will give us x alone. Let's divide 200 by 2.5, again with some long division. 25 goes into 200 8 times, and not at all for 0. So she will have to make 80 paperweights to make the amount of money that she thinks she needs.